Good morning, people. Happy fucking Friday. So I've been up, I've done my check-in myself and also a 20-minute walk, bit of mobility work, and I'm just cracking on with the start of my day. So obviously already gone in, we've got the collagen, the daily setup powder to help with my digestion already, and I'm just making my snack. So if you watched my last video, you know I have a bagel with peanut butter. I absolutely do not measure out my peanut butter. I'm not on prep, I'm trying to grow. I don't overdo it, I just spread it on the bagel and put the jar away. So if you can't do that, that's where there's issues. And it's not done me any problems, not been an issue so far. I'm trying to grow, I'm growing well. One thing I will say, which is dead annoying, is ran out of coffee pods, so I've got a council coffee. So yeah, that's amazing. So I'm going to crack on with this. My plan today is to do a full day of eating. I know I'm absolutely shite at it normally, but I'm going to do a full day. This is my commitment, and I'm definitely going to do it, I swear down. But yeah, I'm going to crack on with this, get this in, drink my coffee, client check-ins, and I'll see you with my it's going to be a proper meal one, but it will be my pre-workout. Right guys, so pre-meal about to be made. Cream of rice, this flavour at the minute, chocolate mint. So I have 100 grams of this. It's like an hour before I actually start training, so gives it plenty of time to fully digest. Reason why I like cream of rice, it does digest really nicely. On prep I do prefer oats, but the amount of oats that I need right now just doesn't sit very well. Oats are definitely a prep thing. So 150 grams of cream of rice, kettle's boiled, hot water, not too much. Smells walnut. Smells mint. See what I did there? Bit more water. Bang it in the microwave. Just a minute should do it, and then I'll obviously have some blueberries on there, and then we're going to go with dark chocolate. I've had peanut butter already, as you see in my morning snack. But yeah, I also have on the way to the gym my 2 Velveeta snacks. I love my snacks. And then before we hit the gym, we'll also have my high stim pre-workout, gas mark 10 as always, but I normally have a pump and I've run out. I'm waiting for that to arrive. So high stim it is. I've had 3 coffees already this morning. Then we have that. Should be a 6 session. Absolutely overdone it in the microwave, but fuck it, shit's got to get done. So maybe 30 seconds. So yeah, I have 30 grams of whey as well, whey isolate of course. Nice easy job of 100 grams of berries, salt, and then I have 2 squares of this. I don't put this on the pre-workout because I don't like how it melts. So yeah, 2 squares, it's like 20 grams of dark chocolate, But yeah, job's a good one. So, just show you. Tastes better than it looks, I promise you. So, I'm gonna get this in, get down the hatchet, drink some more water, get my intra shake ready, drink my pre. I'll have these in the car on the way down, and then yeah, pull session pending. Right guys, we're back from the gym. What's up, Reg? You embarrassed?
Yeah.
What's that sandwich?
Ham.
Ham. Bit of green on there as well. Definitely one of them embarrassing mums. So we're back from the gym, about to get my post-workout meal. Teddy's dropped off at the groomers because he's a princess. You know the drill. Chocolate pillows, 150 grams. Hang on. Freezing cold water. As cold as it's getting. Scoop away, isolate. Chocolate hazelnut flavour. Had a good session, pull session, back was pumped, even though I didn't have my pump pre-workout. Pour it on. Proper Chef Ramsay shit. It's not mixed well. Not doing great with this. But yeah, as you can see, post-workout. See you at the next meal. So now it's time for my next meal. Just boxed off all my work. So I've got that Friday feeling. So my next meal, nice and simple, a chicken wrap. It's just protein and fats. Sorry, protein and carbs. So obviously I use chicken mince. It's much better than chicken breast. It literally knocks me sick. If I buy standard chicken breast now, that's all hanging white bits in. But yeah, that in the microwave. 2 minutes should do the job. Seasoning I use on my chicken. If you don't know, get to know. This is absolutely banging. Amazon special. So right now I'm having 2 wraps at a time. It's just an easy way to get the carbs in. I find if I have rice, I just don't like it. So the amount of food I'm eating at the minute, it's just the volume of it just knocks me sick. I find that the wraps are just dead easy to eat. So that's why I have that. It digests well as well. So that should be done. Now I've got a minute left. So yeah, I know last off season I ended up having 4 wraps per meal. And it's just even that was easy to eat. I think I'm just a gannet, able to eat. That's why I grow. And then I'll chop up some cucumber for my health. On prep, I absolutely love cucumber. Cucumber and lettuce is pretty much what I have with every meal. That shall do. Wraps always have to go in the microwave, otherwise the chewer. Soft cheese, another must, jalapenos, this sauce, like things spicy. So funny how I do things. Get a knife for this. So like with it being off season, like the cream cheese, anything extra like that, like before when I didn't measure my peanut butter with my first meal, you know, I'm in off season, obviously while I'm in prep I am to the gram, but I hit my protein, carbs and fats macros, and then anything on top is extra, and I'm willing to take that. Obviously it's only going to be fuel for my training, so calories are calories once you've hit what you need to hit. Cucumber. Legit feel like this YouTube is a cooking program, and I find that it's dead boring for anyone to watch, so it baffles me that people like it. Not judging you, by the way, especially when I'm on prep as well. I just watch crap like this, so if you're on prep you're probably going to be drooling now. But yeah, a bit more salt, and there we have it. A messy kitchen. We've got chicken mince, cream cheese, jalapenos, bit of salad, 2 wraps, job's a good one. See you at the next meal. Next meal, so same as before, my last meal that I've just had. Another chicken wrap, but instead of having the 2 wraps, I'm having, like I need a drum roll, 3 dark chocolate rice cakes as well. So as you can see, chicken mince wrap, salad, hot sauce, and the dark chocolate rice cakes too. One more meal to go. Excuse me for this head. What the fuck? Hello Ted, have you had your haircut? Brilliant. See you at the next meal. Good evening. So it's 25 to 7. It's been a long day. Last meal going down. So I like convenience. Food is food right now. I have no interest in it, no appetite, so I'm literally sod it. So yeah, it's just an easy meal that I'm going to be able to eat, that I know digests really easy. I'm full, I'm not hungry one bit. I just know I need to eat it. It's obviously trying to grow, so every meal is a hit. You get to a point in your off season where you're literally sick of the sight of food. Now you've probably noticed that my food is just quick, easy, simple, and that's the best way to do it. While your calories are high, obviously it's got to easily digest, which is a main factor for me. So I've got 101 gram of cornflakes, and then I've got the whey isolate again, chocolate hazelnut flavour. I didn't mix this properly before, so I'm making sure I do now. Mix with water, always. Milk's for babies. But yeah, if I worked out my calories, so right now, what I'm on, obviously I'm not struggling. I've had higher food, but it seems to be doing the job. My waist ain't blowing out. Obviously we've got loads of room at the minute where we could push it, but I feel good. It's doing its job. I'm strong, I'm growing, weight's climbing, body comp's holding well. But yeah, so at the minute, my macros, so proteins around 200, fats 81, carbs 600. So it's literally just under 4,000, 3,934 to be precise. And that's on my training day. Rest day, I will try and do a video for it, but it's pretty much don't know why we zoom in on this because it just literally looks like dishwater on cornflakes, but all goes in the same mold. Yeah, my rest day food, pretty much I have the same foods. I'll eat the pre, the post, the same amount of calories, because why not? You are resting, obviously. I'm going to recover, obviously, for the next day, for the next training day. I'm going to be strong, well rested, and just getting the food in. That's my main priority, and I seem to do it no problem. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you can like, subscribe, and share. I always forget what to say, but yeah, you get the gist. I am really proud of myself that I've done all my meals today, and if you've stayed along and watched the full video, please put a thumbs up in the comments so I know you've watched it. Cheers for your support. Peace out.